Introducing ETS-RT 07B, a high-performance UHF silicone laundry tag from EcoTrack Systems, built for rugged textile tracking. Crafted with soft silica gel and flexible textile base, this tag is ideal for stitching into linen, uniforms, or fabric pouches. Operating at 865 to 928 MHz, it delivers up to 3.5 meters read range and supports Alien Monza R6 and UCODE chips. Tested for 200 industrial wash cycles, it withstands 90 degrees Celsius washing, 180 degrees Celsius drying, and 135 degrees Celsius sterilization. With 512-bit user memory, 10-year retention, and multi-tag reading. It's perfect for tracking bulk fabric in real time, ideal for laundry services, clothing rentals, hospitals, hospitality, and military uniform management. For soft, durable, and high-temperature RFID tagging, choose ETS-RT 07B by EcoTrack Systems, precision in every wash.